Let's factorize this trinomial of degree 4. M4 minus 7m square plus 12. I can write this M4 as m square whole square minus 7m square as it is plus 12. Now I can substitute m square as y, means I can put m square as y. So my this trinomial becomes m square is y. So it becomes y and then this square minus 7, and now this m square is y, so y square minus 7y plus 12. Now this just becomes a trinomial and I can use the middle term splitting method. So I am looking for two numbers which when added give me the middle term minus 7, and which when multiplied give me the product of 12 and this one means 12. Clearly, the numbers are minus 3 and minus 4, because minus 3 times minus 4 is 12 and minus 3 added to minus 4 gives me minus 7. So my this trinomial becomes y square minus 7y can be written as minus 3y minus 4y plus 12 as it is. Now I will regroup the terms. So y square minus 3y as one of the group, and minus outside, and 4y, whenever I will take minus outside, this plus, all the inside signs get changed. So this plus becomes as minus. I can take out y common. So from y square, I have taken y common. So this becomes y minus. From 3y, I took y outside. So only 3 is left minus. From 4y minus 12, I can take the common factor as 4, and my bracket is consist of y minus 3. Now, this is my first term, this is my second term. From these two terms, I can clearly see that the bracket y minus 3 is common. So I can take out that bracket y minus 3 as common. So from first term, y minus 3 is outside. What is left? Y minus. From second term, y minus 3 is outside. So what is left? 4. Now, this my original trinomial or the polynomial was in the variable m, so I cannot leave my answer in the form of y. So m square was y, so let's put back y as m square. So it becomes m square minus 3 and this becomes m square minus 4. Now I can see that I cannot do anything with the first bracket, but the second bracket is basically the difference of squares. So this is the identity a square minus b square, and so first bracket as it is, and a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So this is the complete factorization of the given polynomial. That's all. See you in the next one.